To make a call, press and hold the PTT button. Take a 1-second pause before you begin speaking, allowing the radio to connect to the network. Hold the radio 10 to 15 centimeters from your mouth, speak clearly and at a normal volume. There's no need to shout. When you've finished speaking, release pressure on the PTT button to complete the transmission. Start your transmission by stating who you are, followed by who you want to speak to.
Best man to CCTV.
Give a brief description of the incident and location.
We've just had someone leave the store with a bag full of items without paying.
To allow CCTV to locate them, it is vital to provide the direction of travel for anybody involved. Do not give vague instructions such as left and right. Instead, use popular sites and landmarks to provide direction.
They're heading up the high street towards the town hall.
Provide a visual description to aid in their location. Try snapshot. Sex, nationality, age, physique, skin, hair, outfit, and travel. If in doubt, just say what you see.
They're a young British male, white skin, medium build, around 6 foot tall, blonde hair, wearing grey bottoms, a blue t-shirt, and carrying a black rucksack.
When someone calls you, the transmission will instantly come through your radio. You do not need to press anything to receive the message. You can alter the volume during the call if necessary. The caller's ID will be displayed on screen.
Thank you for the description. We've got him on camera.
Always wait until the end of a transmission before you reply. If 2 people are communicating, try to avoid interrupting, as only one person can talk at once.